Closing markets for Thursday, April the 8th. Markets opened unchanged last night and rallied corn and wheat during the overnight session, with soybeans down slightly. After the break, corn rallied within 2 cents of the old high on old, and on new crop corn made new highs. Dry weather concerns in the Dakotas and Minnesota lended support early to wheat, with concerns of lower spring wheat plantings because of the dry weather. Corn rallied on dry weather concerns in the Saffriha double crop. Rumors hit the market as the day progressed that China was in looking to buy both old and new crop corn, and the market was off to the races. Corn ended the day up 19 cents on old corn, up 9 cents on new. Beans were up 6 cents on old crop and up 2 cents on new, and wheat was up 13 cents on old and 15 cents on new. Weekly export sales were released today, with corn sales at 29.8 million bushels, down from 31.4 the previous week and 35.7 last year, with 20 to 35 expected and 800,000 bushels needed per week to surpass the USDA projection. With the big sales again today, we have now surpassed the annual projection from the USDA. That's why the negative 0.8 is needed. So we'll have to see where we go from here with 5 months left in the marketing year. Soybean sales were a disappointing 3.4 million negative, as China canceled old crop bean purchases and bought new crop to replace them. Last week's sales for the previous week were 3.9 million, last year at 9.0, with the expected range of 4 to 15 and with 800,000 needed per week. Wheat sales were 3.0 million, down from 9.2 million last week and 4.2 million last year, with 4 to 18 expected and 1 million needed per week. New crop sales were 1.97 million in corn, 12.44 million in beans, that's China, and 19.47 million bushels in wheat. Talk early in the day was China had purchased 65% of their total needs for June and 50% of July needs from Brazil. Argentina is currently running 50% or 46% of their normal crush, so that is a factor in the usage there. Weekly jobless claims came out at 50,000 higher than expected, 744,000, with 3.65 million people still on the unemployment rolls. The dollar was down 377 points, gold was up 14.60, and silver was up $3.13. Crude oil was lower most of the day, but rallied to close within 5 cents at 59.72. Stocks traded both sides before closing higher on the day, with Dow futures up 50, NASDAQ up 131, and S&P up 18. Estimates for tomorrow's WASDE report have corn carryout at 1.379 billion bushels, down from 1.502 last month and 1.919 last year. Soybean carryout down slightly at 118 million. 120 million in March and 525 million last year, and wheat carryout at 846 million, up 10 million from March and below last year at 1.028 billion bushels. Okay, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.